First we pour 250 gallons of water. Then the necessary chemical needed. All the chemicals weigh and are ready to put the mixer. The solution is mixed for about 1 hour. Paint. Buckets are chosen according to which type of paint is made. Plastic bags are put into the buckets to separate the paint, form the buckets and also to make the buckets use later.
So, suppose use paint, can raw sa plastic, bagat use laba. Plastic sa bucket, paint container.
After filling in the plastic bag, it's time to fill in the paints. Plastic bags are after fastening to prevent the paint not spilled in the buckets. And there you have it. How we make our paints. Here at Colortech Premium Paint Solution Factory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and like, share our video and leave a comment on what you think.